Hello everyone, I'm so excited today to share with you my top dish, which is the Namyu fried chicken. And I'll be using this yummy house Namyu red fermented beancurd. You can get it from Aeon or Tesco. To marinate these two chicken thigh, boneless chicken thigh, I'll be using this 1 cube of Namyu and few teaspoons of the red sauce. And I find this brand tastes way better than the one that I got from wet market, but of course the price a little bit more expensive. Then I'll be using oyster sauce as well. I'm this brand, Angel brand. I've been using this oyster sauce for like a few years, so just add in about 1 tablespoon of the oyster sauce. Using this because it doesn't contain any MSG as written on the label, tanpa tambahan MSG. By the way, this is not a sponsored post. And also I have this, I don't have the packaging anymore, but this small little pack of 5 spice powder is a Chinese 5 spice powder, a Penang famous one, and I think you can use any but not the western one. Just a little bit pinch into it, you would not want it to be too overpowering. Then also we are gonna add in 1 heaped tablespoon of sugar. Yes, because the what you call the red fermented bean curd is pretty salty, so you want to balance out the flavor. Then we are gonna mix it up, mix everything up, and then we are going to add in the chicken into the sauce and marinate it for a few hours. It is best to at least marinate it for 1 hour, but if you can, just marinate it overnight. This is quite a simple dish to do, and you can prepare it up front. So for the boneless chicken thigh, I did not debone it myself. I just go to the wet market and tell them that, Uncle, I want the chicken, but then I don't want the bones. Please debone for me. And they actually don't charge you extra for it. Unlike supermarket, their deboned chicken thigh is way more expensive than that. Of course, they charge you the bones weight as well. They will take the whole chicken thigh, they weigh it, and then after that they debone it for you. Just an extra service. So now once you need to, I'm using my hand to massage in all the sauce into the chicken. Just give it a light massage, make sure everything is well coated. Then you're gonna cover it, put it in the fridge. So once you're ready to fry it, just take it out from the fridge, and then we are going to coat it with some potato flour. And in any case that you cannot find potato flour, you can use corn starch or corn flour to as a substitute, but I highly recommend to use potato flour because it makes the skin so crispy. So we're gonna do another round of light massage. Then after that, gonna coat it with the potato flour. Make sure everything is well coated, and then we're gonna shake off the excess flour and let it rest for about like 10 minutes before you fry the chicken, so that the flour actually seep into the skin. And while waiting, you can just preheat up your oil. So I'll see you in the kitchen. I have preheated my oil to medium high heat. Then I'm gonna put the chicken on the skin side down, and we are going to fry this for about like 2 minutes. Then after that, gonna lower down the heat to medium low, and also we are going to flip the chicken over. This is to make sure that the skin doesn't cook too fast and burn later on. So once we flipped it over, I will let it fry for about like 5 minutes before I flip it again. So total cooking time is about 15 to 17 minutes, and then I flip like about 2 to 3 times in between. Then once it almost ready, at about like 15 minutes later, we want to crank up the heat to medium high again. Then put the skin side down for about like another 2 minutes, so that you get the crispy skin really crisp. Then once all done, we are going to dish it up, drain the excess oil onto a kitchen towel. The smell is like so good. something like when you cooking belacan chicken, but this one smells way better than belacan chicken. I have let the chicken rest for about like 3 minutes, and you can see the skin is crispy, and I'm gonna cut it up before I serve for the dinner. And also I have the full written recipe in the description box below, and if you have any Namyu Chayo or Namyu fried chicken recipe to share with me, do comment on the comment box. And if you like my video, don't forget to share and then subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy your dinner. Bye.